Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. In my previous videos, I have showed how we can use Excel macros to fetch live data from my trading account into Excel. But in today's video, I'm gonna show a little bit advanced topics like I'm gonna send this live data to AI like GPT-4 or 3 model. Then we will prompt AI to understand and to analyze the data, live data, and give us what is support level and what is resistance level and what are the options that we need to sell and what are the options that we need to buy to make a perfect option strategy. Okay, so what I was trying to do is we get live data into Excel and we will send this live data to AI to analyze so that it will give us what to buy and what to sell to make a proper option strategy. So let me show you what I was talking about. If you see my screen, I have built a small sheet within my Excel where it's gonna build a small option chain based upon the live data. So let me clear the data. So I have built a macro. What it will do, it will fetch live Nifty spot, and based upon the live Nifty, it's going to build a small option chain so that we can send that option chain table to the AI, which will then analyze and give us an output. So when I click this button, what it will do, it will update Nifty and it will update this all strikes and call and put options. Then it will fetch live data like last traded price, what is live volume, open interest, bid and ask. See, see, it got updated and it updated the option chain. So what it, if you see currently Nifty, if you see here, currently the Nifty is 25,980 and it's 25,980 perfect. And let me check one option like 25,900 call option, it's 135. So this is the 25,900, it's 136, it's close because the live, it keeps changing. So we got our option chain table into Excel just by clicking this button. Now what I want to do, I want to send my option chain table to AI like any GPT model. I'm going to use GPT 4.0 mini model to analyze this table, and it will give us what is support level and what is resistance level and what are the options that I need to sell and what are the options I need to buy to hedge my positions, okay, by analyzing the live data. So when I click this button, what it will do, it will send this table to AI with the help of API, and it will analyze and it will send a response like this text note. So whatever text file you're seeing, it was being generated by AI, and it will tell what is nearest support and what is nearest resistance, and best one-on-one Iron Condor strategy, which legs I need to sell, and what which options I need to buy to hedge my positions. So if you see the last line, this is something that we have to into focus, like it will simply tell what is my support and what is my resistance, okay, then which option I need to sell, like, and which option I need to buy to hedge my current positions. If you remember my previous video where I showed long iron strategy within the Excel, so this is the Excel sheet that I showed in a previous video where we input the strikes and a live stream data will appear, which will help us to calculate maximum profit or loss, right? So whatever response that I got from ChatGPT, I'm going to place them in here. Like it's saying me to sell 26,000 call and put option, right? So let me do it. 26,000, 26,000, okay, and I'm gonna hedge by buying call and put outside like 26,100, 25,900, right? 26,100, it's correct. 25,900 put option, okay. So if I run my WebSocket, so now the live data already coming up, and let's suppose if I buy this, the maximum profit is 5,000 and maximum loss is 1,800, and if I want to buy, I can directly place a buy order, but I don't have money in my account. So if I show you how it will work at the back end, let me show you my VBA script. So what I did, I made a module of ChatGPT. So this is a procedure that I wrote to fetch, to send the live data to API and to get a response back. So I'm not going to go deep into this script. I'll just show you key points of the script. So this is the API that you need to give it. This is your API key, and the model that I use is a ChatGPT 4.0 mini. There are different models. If you want to know the models, you can simply see the GPT models. There are different models like GPT-4, GPT mini. There are a lot of modules, but I used GPT-4, which is these are all the models that we have. But module that I used GPT-4 mini, okay, because it is very cheap and efficient. So I use that module, and I have created. We're going to use XML HTTP request to send and to get the response. The first most important thing is a prompt that we are sending, which should be very efficient, so that a GPT can AI model can understand and give a proper response. This is a prompt. I built. What I did, I looked through the table, like whatever table that you see here. I looked through each and every cell and I concatenate them to make a proper table format. Then I have asked, this is a prompt, like to give me nearest support and to give me nearest resistance, and build one-on-one short Iron Condor legs like sell, call and put and hedge legs also. Then finally, I want to give a format, simple like what is support, what is resistance, and what are the call and sell and buy and all. Like so, I built a proper prompt which we can send. Okay, we have we have to send everything in a JSON format. So I built a JSON string within the VBA, and we're gonna send it API key with our API key. And whatever response that I got, I used JSON converter to extract our response like message, and then I used a text file to save our response. Okay, whatever response that we got, whatever reply that we got from the from the GPT model, like AI model, we're gonna put it in the text file, and we're gonna open the text file. So finally, in this video, what I'm trying to tell is that we can use Excel VBA macro to fetch live data, and we can send this live data to any AI modules that are available, like GPT, or like I showed you in the screen. Like these are all the AI modules that are available, right? So we can send live data to this any of the module and ask to analyze the live data and give us what are the things, what are the options that we can buy, and what are the options that we can sell to hedge our positions. Okay, if you want a complete video or file, just comment below. I can make a detailed video of this.